Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, OG Superfly Garage. I know this is a Foxbody channel, but I really wanted you guys to understand that this particular video is going to be about this car right here. It's a 2001 Hyundai Elantra GLS. And the cool thing about this car is that my daughter acquired it for free. And it is her first car. And my other daughter, she will be driving it as well. So this is like their first car. So I feel like it's worthy of obviously being on the channel. So here it is. This is the car. 2001 Hyundai Elantra GLS. Got AC, cruise control, all of that. And free is an excellent price. You can never beat free unless they're gonna pay you to drive it, which these days ain't gonna happen, right? So anyway, this is it right here. So gonna do a few mods on it to actually get it running good. Gonna do a tune-up on it eventually, things like that. Right now we're gonna give her a bath, get her nice and clean out the interior because there's some stains. And then we're also gonna take these off here, you know, these old people smoking in the car things right here. We're gonna take those off. Got a heat gun for that. So yep, that's it. So enjoy the video. All right, so now I'm gonna use the heat gun and start taking these off right here. You just apply a little bit of heat that double-sided tape up, and it should start popping off. See there? It's coming up. Get it nice and hot. That's the residual tape right there. We'll have to get that off later with the glue gun. Coming off. I honestly don't know why anybody would put these on their car. But I guess back in the day, if you're a smoker, it was a thing to have. Maybe just like fresh air. I don't know. Behind here with the goo gone put on there, and it should just start coming right off with the goo gone. Let it sit on there for a little while and just clean up. I might leave a little bit of discoloration because what's underneath here is basically brand new compared to this, but all this old double-sided tape will be gone. Yep, gets hot.
This is Melissa. I'm just gonna spray some of the Goo Gone onto all the sticky parts.
Goo Gone actually works. A little residue probably won't be perfect, but you know, it'll come off. Alright, so all done. As you can see, it came off really good. Pretty much no residue on here. I mean, it's not a perfect car. It's a 2001 Hyundai, but we're gonna make it as perfect as we can, you know, because I want her and her sister to have a really good car. So good thing is it only has 118,000 miles on it. So, and it's a 2001. So to me, that's really low miles. So, and it was an older lady that had it, and so, you know, she took good care of it, you know, as best she could. So anyway, take a look. Let me know what you think. The residue you see on the windows is because we haven't washed it yet. So that's residue from the goo gun. So, but all that'll be off here shortly. So as you can tell, it's a dual overhead cam, 16 valve engine. This is really dirty, so we're gonna clean it off. I'm gonna see if I can't find some degreaser, and then we're gonna just clean this out, make it at least clean anyway. And also I'm gonna remove the wiper arms at a later date, sand the rust off of it, and then that way we can paint those trim black again. And then we're also gonna take the wheels off and the hubcaps off, and see how these are rusty. We're gonna, use a wire wheel, get all the rust off, and then we're gonna paint them black so it looks basically brand new, right? So that's what we're planning on doing. All right, so you might notice that the engine is running, and so that's because of the fact that I was always told that if you're gonna wash your engine, leave the engine running, because there's been times, and even I've done it, where you wash the engine, go start the car, and it won't start until certain things dry out. So anyway, there you go. I don't have any engine degreaser, so I'm using the next best thing, which is Dawn liquid soap. So hopefully that'll work. Here we go. I'm gonna wet this engine bay down real quick. If you guys have any suggestions, leave them in the comments. But that's what I'm gonna use right now, is Dawn soap. Sorry about the plane. Turn on the soap, put on through, get a good time. It looks better than it did. I mean, it obviously it'd be better with engine degreaser, obviously. So at a later date, we'll have to do that at some point. But right now, I think it looks really good. There it is. Now we can dry it off. So now I'm using this interior cleaner to kind of go over it. The person that had it has some coffee stains all in here, and there's stains on the door and on the speaker grill. So just spray it on here and then wipe the speaker grill like this. You don't want to spray the speaker, obviously. What's this? Ooh, a pen. Ooh, there's change. Look at that.
2 pennies.
Melissa, you're rich by 35 cents.
Oh, yay. I'm gonna buy a Lamborghini.
I know, right? What do you think, guys? Think it looks good? Looks like all the coffee stains are gone. Speaker grill is pretty much clean. Yes, we are going to vacuum the car out. Just trying to get the plastics clean. Horn works. So what happened was we cleaned the windows and noticed that on the outside of the windows there was still a greasy film and marks. Well, obviously, as you may know, that was the goo gone. So I had to use rubbing alcohol and wipe the window down on the outside. As you can see, it's took it off. Right through that grease. Oops. Well, there you go. Pretty much all gone. Gotta clean the inside. All right, guys, well, it is clearly dark now. It's almost 8 o'clock at night here in good old Portland, Oregon. The car is done. We're done detailing inside and out finally. If you look at it, no more of those little wind guard things. They're gone. They're all gone. Tires are all shiny. She's clean. Melissa's happy. So, not bad. Got stains out of the carpet as well that were in the back, off the doors, off the speaker grills, all that good stuff. So as you can tell, I know it's night, sorry, it's probably hard to see. I want to take you inside the car, kind of let you look at it. Yeah, that's the bell because the car is running. So there it is, everything works. The AC, the radio works. It's got a CD player, a stock one, as you can tell. But yep, she's all clean now. As you can see, maybe I'll zoom in. Look at that, 2001 with 118,974. Man, that's, to me, that's low miles. So anyway, there you go. Talk to you later. It is now Miller time. That's right. Good night.